welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy here, ACG, Afro Car Guy. If it's your first time swinging by, go into stop, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell icon. Oh, water's on my head. Y'all know the whole gist, and let's jump straight into today's video. All right, so you can obviously tell by the title of what we're gonna be talking about today. And oh, I'm so excited. It's like it's my birthday present to myself. Excuse me, guys, I just jumped out the shower. It's like water still running down my face. Hold up. All right, so first, it's been a while. Long time, no view. Haha, ding. Little catch up. What's the catch up? I'm 23 years old now, so my birthday was May 9th. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, but now you know if you're my YouTube subscribers, I am now 23 years of age. Hooray, ding, ding, ding. Secondly, everything around here looks new, right? New apartment, new year, more awesome things coming for y'all, okay? Next. And third, not really an update, I guess you could say it's an update. Anyone who's suffering from the COVID-19 outbreak pandemic, I hope all is well, and I hope you keep pushing through it and understand everything's still gonna get better. You just gotta keep a level head, and I guess ultimately I just hope everyone's safe out there, but it's a lot, guys. And if y'all ever notice me wearing the same shirts in some of these videos, it's because I literally do a majority of these videos right before I leave out to my job. So I'm more or less in my work clothes as I'm doing these videos. But yeah, back to the COVID-19. I hope everyone's safe. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's healthy, washing your hands, wearing your mask, and pushing through this because we got to keep moving forward. But let's get on to today's video. I feel like it was like a lot of echo in that room. Jesus. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, someone like broke into my house and like left a bunch of boxes in here, man. Like, God. What do y'all think this one is? I mean, could be like a freaking, what could it be? It could be a bike. Could be, I could be wrong. And this could be a chocolate fountain, for all we know. Oh, that would be so hurtful if it wasn't what we thought it was. All right, here we go. Okay. This thing is massive. All right, guys, so we got the boxes on the ground, obviously. We are going to jump this, look like a little old school. Which one we're gonna pop open first? So we're gonna hit it with eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger, find this one right over here. Here. All right, let's go. Please be a bike. Please be a bike. What is this? This isn't the bike I ordered. What? I think it got misplaced with someone's order. But who would order? Who would order a big Wayne? That's crazy, man. Whose stuff is this, bruh? Yeah, guys, this is it. This is our chassis mount Wayne. Well packaged from Battle Arrow. Still wrapped up in bubble wrap and stuff. Let me see if there's anything else in the box real quick. No, so it literally just comes in a big box. Well, that makes sense. Okay. So that only leads me to think that this is the chocolate fountain that I ordered. No, I'm joking, guys. If you can't tell by now, that is most likely all the hardware and stuff for the wing. But let's get this bad boy out the box real quick to see what we're working with. I'm gonna drop the specs for y'all on the wing in a second. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Jeez, it's like a freaking airplane wing, man. So I'm gonna try to open this as like carefully as possible because it needs to be packed back up again. That's to be put on the car, but we gotta take a look, guys. We gotta take a look. I'm trying to just take it in, guys. All right, so this is the Swan neck chassis mount wing. So the wing is going to be mounted from the top up instead of the bottom. The brackets are at the top instead of the bottom because the wing is going to be wrapped around the cradle. When I show y'all the next couple pieces, y'all understand what I'm saying. But this is the wing. I opted for the 74-inch one. It's pretty freaking huge. Fiberglass. I didn't really want to wait for carbon fiber because I didn't think it was that deep. You know, no one can even tell my hood's carbon fiber unless you're right on top of it. So we got the measuring tape out. It's about 14.5 inches wide, if that makes sense. And long, like I said, we about to hit bam, 74 inches. Am I cool yet, guys? Am I cool yet? Woo! I can finally join the big wing gang. This is crazy. I really was like a piece from an airplane, like a legitimate airplane. Wow. Okay. Now let's pop open this bad guy. Oh man, the camera's upside down. Oh boy. Get someone to record me just because it's a lot easier. I don't suppose you have opposable thumbs, do you, Nico? Yeah, I didn't think so. All right, box is opened. Taking out paper packaging to reveal more paper packaging. Okay, more paper packaging. Wow, it's already packaged in there. Okay, what is this? I think those are my end plates. And what are you? Ooh. Now we're down to the real meat of the situation. What is this? So, okay, I almost dropped that. Put that down right there. And, okay, I know what this is. So this, I'm about to put y'all down again. Here we go. Okay, so definitely learned something new. Well, let me check real quick before I say that. But from the looks of it, you know, you order from like BC coilovers or like Airlift, you know, you get fancy packaging and stuff like that. No, from the looks of it, when you order from Battle, you get straight to the nitty-gritty. You get straight to it. There's none of that extra fanciness. You get a box, you get a wing, put it on, let's go. Okay, so box for one. And from the looks of it, guys, it's just, oh, okay. So literally just all the hardware you'll need for the wing. And they come with like little cords and the cross member cords and stuff, the steel cords, a lot of washers, bolts, that kind of thing. Hardware. I don't know any of the stuff actually is other than the wing and the mounts. So work with me because I don't know what this is, but it comes with it. And that goes on the car somewhere. And it also comes with, you know, tubes, a pair. So I'm gonna put that back in here real quick. All right. Now, for those who don't know, like I said, I ordered a 74-inch wing, Swan neck chassis mount, but the wing obviously isn't for an Eclipse 4th generation, it's for a 350Z. So, like everything else that comes with the Eclipse, it has to be completely customized in order for it to work with the car. So, it's gonna be a custom fabricated chassis mount Swan neck wing. You get the idea. Okay. So, had I had a 350Z, it should have been a plug and play type of situation, but I do not. So this should be fun. We got the hardware out of the way. In that bag, I'm hoping I get a sticker or something. I mean, like, they put stickers in here. Like, dang, guys. Okay. Now I'm putting money on it that this is just the end plates for the wing. I've already packed it back up, so I guess I gotta actually rip it. Okay. Wasn't really trying to. Drum roll is, yep, end plates. Yep. I believe these are the time attack ones. They had the boomerangs as an option. I wasn't really feeling them, to be honest. Oh, okay, spoke too soon. We got stickers, boys. We got stickers. Yes, sir. Battle Arrow Gang. Ooh, I always wanted some of these. It gave me 4. Awesome. You already know we got to slap one on the end plate right there. But yeah, man, that's awesome. I always wanted to have some of these on the car. Okay, so yeah, we got stickers. We got both end plates. Like they're made out of probably steel, some type of metal. Definitely not fiberglass, I can tell you that for sure. Okay, so we got the end plates. All right. Let's set those away. Okay. Now back to the things that I have no idea of what these are, but we're learning things together. So how many times do you find a video about unboxing a chassis mount wing? I don't think very often. So same deal. Well, actually we could go and put this guy back up. Let me take a look. So this is essentially what I'm about to show you. This right here is essentially just the, what's the word I'm looking for? This is the frame that the wing's gonna be sitting on as it's attached to the chassis of the car. Now, hold on guys. Yeah, so if it was a 350Z, these plates and whatever other plate I put down there would have been bolted to the rear frame of the 350Z. But clearly we don't have a 350Z, so we're going to figure out how these frame plates, I'm just making up words, I'm pretty sure you guys can follow along with what I'm shooting for you though. These plates are going to be refabricated or somehow re-welded. Something's going to work for it to fit onto the Eclipse. And these plates right here is where the wing is going to be snapped into place and for the swivel and stuff, so I can still use my trunk and stuff like that. But this is essentially just a frame for the wing to rest on as it's bolted to the car. All right, I'm going to put this back up real quick. She's heavy. I think I put that out. There we go. Everything's really well packaged though. I like it. Gonna put this back in the box, guys, because I don't want to sit on the table too long. And that quick, I forgot how to open the box. All right. Next up, we have whatever this mysterious object is. As soon as I find my screwdriver, there we go. Okay, what we got here? I don't even have the slightest idea of what this could be, guys. Okay. Just performing some surgery to get her opened up for me. And we have I should have cut it right there too, not bad. What do y'all think I'm gonna put on the back of the wing when it gets on the car? Any guesses? Okay, so we got some more cross member bars, tension rods, whatever you want to call them. I think this was gonna form that X-like pattern in the back of the wing, but don't quote me on it. We'll see when it's come time to put it on. But essentially, it's just more hardware. All right, I hope I'm still recording. And last but not least, these are a lot shorter than what I expected, so let's see what they look like. Because I'm pretty sure these are the mounts that the wing is going to rest on. Yeah, these are way, I hope this is right, because they look short, guys. Give me 1 second. Let's pull it out from the side. Really? That's intriguing. They definitely look a lot bigger in picture. Okay, yeah, so this is the was pretty much gonna be holding the wing in place to the car. Definitely expected it to be a lot bigger, but looking over a few pictures, I guess that is technically what it looks like. So that's going to be us holding the wing up in the swan neck position. So the wing is gonna bolt down here onto it. Like I said, it's gonna be resting in the opposite position from your traditional wing setup. But yep, that's it, guys. That's everything I got. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this week's video. I hope you all guys liked and enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share. Y'all know the whole gist. Upcoming, you can expect to obviously see the wing on the car. We will be going down to my good friend's race shop eventually to get the wing, test fitted and figured out what's the plan of attack for us getting it on the car properly and actually, working as far as like still me still being able to use my trunk by pulling the wing back and forth, that type of stuff. Anything else upcoming, y'all will probably end up seeing the turbo build for the car. If not that, I'll be finishing my interior. And if not that, I'll be getting some new wheels for the car to finally get off these massive 3-inch spacers I'm running on my rears. And that'll just about do it. I'm trying to shake off a lot of the rust. It's been about a month since I've recorded for you guys. And like I said, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. Yeah. It's still kind of awkward talking to myself. I'm still working past, like I said, it's been about a month. But anyways, I'll catch y'all later, man. Hold that dream and be safe out there. Peace.